Podgorica was founded in 1326 and is situated between 5 rivers: the Zeta, Moraca, Ribnica, Sizevna and Sitnica. Because the majority of the city was destroyed during the Worldwide Second, Podgorica is relatively new with modern buildings at every turn and green spaces as well as parks. Podgorica hosts a variety of cultural events and has numerous theaters, including Crnogorsko, Narodno, Gradsko and Dodest. The ruins of Nemanica Grad, remnants of the city of Doclea, Stara Varos and Vezirov are other cultural and historic monuments in and around Podgorica. Podgorica has excellent transportation links to other cities. The international airport is 9 km from the city, with railway and bus stations nearby. Most people travel to Podgorica in the summer and winter, when holidays are more common. Since the Adriatic Sea's coastal cities and Montenegro capital are close by, this place is ideal for a getaway en route to the sea. The most popular and significant monastery in Montenegro, the Ostrog Monastery, is nearby and is best visited in good weather. Just 19 miles outside of the city is the inescapable Skadar Lake. During the summer, this lake is a popular vacation spot among tourists. The city's full potential and helpful nature that surrounds it can also be utilized in the winter. The ski resorts in the north, which are situated near Podgorica, are quite well liked in the winter. The city constructs ice rinks for the little ones as soon as the weather permits them. One of the most significant structures from the 1st century AD in ancient Doclea is Duclea. It is only 4 km from Podgorica. As early as the 4th century, Christian communities, basilicas and churches were constructed in this area. Remains from the cemetery were moved to the city museum, while some more priceless ones are now at the Russian Hermitage Museum. A fascinating location is Medon, which is also home to the ruins of the Illyrian city, the Church of San Nicola and Marco Milianov's home. While you're enjoying these awesome drone shots, don't forget to like and subscribe and ring the bell. We are posting videos like this twice a week and we would hate for you to miss it. Restaurants serving both local and foreign food can be found in Podgorica. Podgorica's top-rated restaurants are Konaba Lanterna, Restaurant Hemera, Restaurant Hard Rock Cafe, Restaurant Marquez i Maniknas, and Lupo di Mare. There are a few cultural institutions that you absolutely must visit in addition to the numerous manifestations that come to symbolize this city, such as the 1950 founded Podgorica Museum, the Marco Milianov Museum, the Modern Gallery Kuslev's House, the Risto Stihovic Gallery, and the Natural History Museum of Montenegro. Near Podgorica, there are a number of significant monasteries. Monasteries have traditionally played a significant role in upholding the national character. Ostrog, Selja, Piperska, Duga and Dashbabe monasteries are the most popular and significant. The fertile valley of Lake Skadar and Prokletia, two fascinating gorges of the rivers Mora and Sizevna, and the two national parks are also located in the Podgorica region. A vacation in Podgorica may be highly active thanks to the area's stunning natural attractions and untouched biodiversity, which provide opportunities for practicing sports like hiking, mountain biking, bird watching, climbing and kayaking.